Oh, here we go again, yeah. Oh, here we go again. Let's do it one more time, yeah. Oh, here we go.
Hi, my name is City with Dent City Hair Repair. We are located in Frisco, Texas. We are a paintless dent repair company. We specialize in auto hair repair, door dings, and in some cases, minor body dings. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee with a lifetime warranty, a fleet owner car available based on scheduling. We offer deductible assistance on approved claims, and we are A+ credited with the Better Business Bureau. Let me show you the process. Come with me. As you can see, we have a variety of tools for every panel. Let's start with the trunk. This is our light board. This is our vision. This allows us to see the dent. You simply take the light off. Well, we took the light off and had access to put the tool in here. And then we go ahead and push the dent up using the light. People have a lot of questions about the doors, how we gain access to the dent on the door. We'd wedge the window from the panel, put this window protector in to guard the window. We create a gap between the window and the panel, and then we put the tool in between the gap and we push the dent out. That's how we do the door. Now the fender, like always, we need the light. Create a gap, put our tool through the gap, and again, push the dent up from the opposite side. So next, let me show you the roof, how we gain access. Get our loop. We're going to put the rod through the loop. Push on the dent. It's up and flat. Please contact us for a free estimate at 469-971-8887 or at dentcityhairrepair.com.